At Vlerick, we practice what we preach, and we are also implementing digital transformation. This edition, the third edition of the Take the Lead, we mainly focused on the how. We felt that the participants in the program really needed the tools, the instruments, and the methodology to roll out digital transformation within their company.
The Tijd Vlerick decided to organize this program about digital transformation together with Vlerick because we want to embrace change and we wanted to educate a new generation of digital ambassadors.
Taking the lead opens up the door for following some more courses. It really opened up my thinking on horizon for growth, also the ecosystem, the partnership approach that really was new to me as a non-IT person.
If you did a kick-off event, you had something like, I really want to do this. It was a solid program, very well thought and really inspiring.
I think the program is very good in giving a general approach on how to start with digital transformation.
Well, I would recommend this to everyone, absolutely.